For the biryani, first of all, fry the onion very crispy. So friend, now is the second step, which is marinated the chicken. You need chicken, you need some spice like turmeric, red chili, salt, some garam masala, which is whole spice grinded, and some cinnamon and cumin powder. Okay, you need bunch of coriander leaf and bunch of mint. You need lemon, you need yogurt, and you need some oil, 2 tablespoons, and you need the onion which we make crispy, you know. So yeah, the secret of delicious biryani is coriander leaf and mint leaf. Put as much you can. So let's start it. So friend, put everything, spices and all ingredients, and keep it as longer as you can, because more long, more delicious. The biryani will be more delicious, you know. Put everything inside. Okay, and marinate it very well. Okay, here I forget the ginger and garlic paste, I put it. Okay, now you need a pot, have hot water, and add cardamom, cinnamon stick, bay leaves, black pepper, some cumin seeds. Okay, and now put the rice half cooked. Okay, so I don't cook it fully cooked, I cooked half cooked. Okay, now I will put the chicken on the bottom like that. See, like that. Then I will put coriander and mint leaf, some the crunchy onion. Then I will put the rice, half cooked rice. Okay, I will put it on the top. Then I will put it butter ghee. I will put food color, orange color, biryani color. I will put the onion with oil. I will put the mint and coriander leaf like that, and the crunchy onion on the top. Then I will cover it very well with aluminum foil. Okay, very well like it. Low flame 30 minutes. So friend, this is yummy biryani, Indian famous dish. With dessert is sweet soup, which is shir humma, also Indian sweet dessert. So yummy. Hope you like it, hope you enjoy. Be happy, be smile, be beautiful from inside. Until another video, stay home, stay safe. Bye.